Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm just gonna be getting ready with you guys, doing my everyday winter makeup. I wouldn't say I wear it every day, but this is what I would wear every day, or if I'm running errands. I have some things to do today. I have to film another video. I have a doctor's appointment at 2:15. I also have school at 3, so it's a busy day. It's currently 11:33. I got a late start. Wanted to go to the gym, but didn't make it, so I'll just go later. But I'm in my new beauty room. You guys would have saw little clips of it in the video where Mia was doing my makeup. But a house tour will be coming soon, and a beauty room tour and a backyard renovation. Like, it's all coming, don't worry. Primer today. I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna mix the two. This is what I've been doing lately and I love it. I'm gonna be going in with the FAB Pores Be Gone Matte Primer and then the coconut skin, which I've done this many times on my channel, so nothing new. My skin is actually really clear right now, which is very rare in the wintertime. So not sure what is up with that. I think it's because for January, me and Alex cut out meat. We were trying to cut out meat and just be pescatarian for the month. And I think that because I've cut out red meat and all of that good stuff, that my skin cleared up a bit. I'm going with some concealer. I just don't know which one. Probably this, guys. Is this even matching right now? Not very. Okay. Well, I guess it kind of does. Whatever, we'll just use it. Alright, I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. And I'm gonna put this stuff just like where I would highlight necessarily, because it's just a little bit darker. And then I'm gonna go in with my Nars concealer, which I'm running out of. And just put that on the perimeters here. And then I'm gonna take my sponge. Okay, I keep opening up. I cut myself by accident with a knife when I was cleaning it. It's on my thumb here. And I keep opening it up and hitting it, and it hurts so bad, and it won't close up because I keep bending my thumb, but it's like natural habit, you know? Whatever. So I'm actually not gonna set my face actually at all. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't know what they're doing out there. Going with some contour here just to add a little bit of something to my face. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglo. My thumb seriously hurts. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a little like that. I think this is a little bit dried out, so I need a new one. And of course, a little on the nose. And I should have put it a little bit higher. So it looks like my cheekbones, you know. I'm going with the Colourpop blush stick, and this is in the shade Cool It. It's a little bit more of like a cooler tone type of color. What I like to do first, before doing anything actually. Actually, I'm gonna do something new today. I'm gonna take a little, this one or this one? I'm gonna take this Morphe brush. This is an E6, and I'm just gonna go like this, and then tap it on my cheek. I need to get curtains in here so people can't see what I'm doing. Such a pretty shade. I just want a little bit of a darker, like cream or like liquid blush, because all of mine are like summery, very peachy, warm tone blushes. And I really could use some like berry shades. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Megaglo. It has just like a nice sheen. It's not, it's just not too glittery, which is nice, which is why I like it. And I'm actually gonna try out something new. I'm gonna take this Morphe M510 brush and kind of disperse. That does not work. Okay, never mind. We're using a beauty blender. I don't know why I thought that would be a good idea. It's like not dense enough, but I thought that it might like disperse the product really well. But it didn't. Well, we're basically done with the face. I'm just gonna grab my eye makeup. If I hit my thumb one more time, I'm gonna lose it. All right, I definitely do need to go to Ulta because my brow pencil is at its last like little nub, so that's good. I don't even think I can do my brows. But I don't really do much to my brows anyways. They're pretty full. I mean, they're just kind of like all over the place and sparse in some areas, but I've learned to just live with it. Like, I don't have good brows, so it's whatever. Curl the lashes. And do some Thrive mascara. Grab my big mirror here, sorry. I really need to do my brows because they're just like, there's hair like everywhere. It's been a long time. I really like this Plumping Gloss from e.l.f. This is in the shade Pink Cosmo. It's like just a baby pink with a little bit of shimmer. And I don't know, it's really good. And I have a gold shade that I like to put on top of it. But this stuff does kind of burn a little. And I always use a lot, but it's okay. Okay, and then I just add a little clear gloss on top, make it even more poppy. So it pops a little bit more. And this is the Essence gloss. Okay, and this is the completed makeup look. It's just something very subtle, very natural, great for every day. The lighting is not really catching it, but maybe I can show you within the mirror the makeup. So that's just kind of what I did. And yeah, just like an everyday look, not too much makeup, gives your face a little bit of color, you know, your skin's peeking through. I just love it. It's a great everyday makeup look for summer, winter, whatever. But So that completes my little winter everyday makeup routine. It's like a 5-minute makeup routine when you're not like talking it out and telling everyone what you're doing. So it's super easy, great for beginners. I'll have everything linked down below that I used. You want to recreate it, and yeah, so happy to be back. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.